Alright everyone, good morning. So now it's a hunt for breakfast and this stormy day. So let's see. I try to find a place in Google. So I found one place where you get authentic Mysore dosa. So probably I'm gonna go there and check how the food is and everything. So it's in Bani Mandap. So probably it will be hopefully good, very good. So it has good ratings. So it has branches all around, but I want to go to the Pacific store there in Bani Mandap because it says it's an authentic store. So let's go and find a place and eat something. So let's go. Good morning. So Bismillah, let's go and start our experience. So Bani Mandap from this place is somewhere around 3 kilometers it says. So I'll be going there and seeing the place. So these are all our restaurants over here. Kebabish, and we have the Basha Bride. A lot of wood factory something over here. So I guess it's a wood recycle. Again, it's lovely morning, cool breeze. So today is the last day in Mysore. We'll be traveling to other places very soon. So nice mosque here. You can see it's nice. You can see it's written Allah on top. Really nice. It's right front of the palace, right here, back gate of the palace. Empty broad road. Fortuner GP Palace is here. So this is Fortuner GP Palace. All empty road, nice. So this is the advantage coming the early morning. No traffic. Anyways, there is no much traffic in Mysore, so it's very easy to travel. You don't give a second thought to travel in Mysore. Like in this one hotel again. So in Bangalore you have that thing like, oh yeah, traffic and other stuff, but in Mysore it's different. So alright everyone, so we are here, we reached finally. This is the location. It's a corner building where it says Mylari. Nice. It's an old or authentic hotel where they have branches, but I don't know whether that is originally from Mylari. So I found this. This is the original branch of it. So let's go and taste the food inside and see. I'll give you the review of the place. small but really nice place. So let's wait for food. See, they have. So it says it's from 1938. So let's wait for food and see the review. I'm gonna give you a review of this. Dosa here. So you get chutney along this yam looking dosa. Really authentic dosa from here. So I'm going to give you a review. Where we have, so this is coconut chutney and this is butter, nice butter. So let's taste this.
Total 4
You need to open this and taste this. And here we go. It's soft and the taste is amazing. Really amazing. I like the taste of this dosa. Let's try this place. Amazing place in Mysuru. Whenever you visit Bangalore, Mysuru, so please do try this food from here. Nice. So now, let me enjoy my food and get back to you. Alright everyone, so it was amazing food experience, and I asked the owner, so they have it in Bangalore, Nepal. So I'm gonna give you a review from there too. So you guys wanna have from there, you can have it from Mysuru or Bangalore. So amazing. I like the food over here. It's really soft. The dosas are really soft, and with butter, it's like amazing. Trust me, it's amazing experience. Really worth coming in the morning for a breakfast here. So please do like and subscribe to my channel. So here, and I'm gonna take off from now, and cheers. Have a good day, pleasant day. Nice. Bye.